In today's video, I'll teach you how to use Grammarly on Android. So if you want to use the Grammarly on Android device, first of all, you'll have to download it from the Play Store. Now after you do that, open the Grammarly application. You can see over here I've opened it. Make sure to create the account for yourself and you'll be led to this kind of interface. So right over here, you'll be able to find various options. You can simply write anything on Grammarly and it will check your grammar. For that, what you have to do is tap on this field, write something. Now after you do that, you can simply start writing. Anytime you make any error, Grammarly will correct you. For example, I'm just going to type in wrong sentence over here. Now once the sentence is completed, you can see over here Grammarly will give you the suggestion. What you have to do is simply tap on the suggestion. After you do that, you can see over here the sentence will be corrected. So like this, you'll be able to use the Grammarly. If you want to access the settings, what you have to do is go back. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for settings. What you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to access the settings over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to access the options like appearance, block tabs, etc. Likewise, you'll be able to find the options like share feedback, demo tutorial, support, version and privacy policy. Also, if you tap on the profile icon at the top left corner of your screen, you'll be able to access your account information. From here, you'll also be able to upgrade your account. For that, what you have to do is tap on this option upgrade that you can see on the screen. Now after that, what you have to do is simply follow through the prompts and you'll be able to purchase the plans. So like this, you'll also be able to subscribe to the premium version. Also from the account interface, you'll be able to update your profile, delete your account and log out. So these are the basic settings that you need to know in order to use the Grammarly. So that is how you use Grammarly on Android. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.